Welcome to this channel. Today, we're breaking down two important tools to help your YouTube videos get discovered: tags and keywords. If you're new to YouTube or just looking to grow your channel, stay tuned because this video is going to give you all the basics you need to know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more useful tips for growing your YouTube channel. Let's start with keywords. Keywords are the words or phrases that people type into YouTube's search bar when looking for videos. They're like the connection between your content and your potential viewers. For example, if your video is about baking a chocolate cake, your keywords might be things like chocolate cake recipe or how to make chocolate cake. Keywords help your video appear when people search for topics related to your content. Next, let's talk about tags. Tags are hidden from the audience but play a key role in helping YouTube understand the content and context of your video. When you upload your video, you can add tags in the designated section. The more accurate your tags are, the better YouTube can categorize your video to the right audience. To use tags effectively, start by including your main keywords as tags. Then, add variations of those keywords. For example, if your video is about YouTube growth, you might use tags like "How to grow my YouTube channel" or "How to get subscribers." Be sure to use a mix of broad tags and specific tags to cover different search intents. When you use keywords in your title, description, and tags, it helps YouTube understand what your video is about, which boosts its chances of appearing in search results. This will increase your video's visibility, bringing in more views and subscribers. That's it. Now you know what keywords and tags are and how to use them effectively. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.